Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I have another tech unboxing for you and I am so excited. It came in the mail yesterday. Let's get to unboxing. Oh my. I wanted to invest in some vlogging equipment. So we have the Deity V-Mic D4 Mini, and then I also have the DJI OM4. I'm gonna start off with the Deity microphone. So a little bit about this microphone. It's an external microphone that actually comes with the windshield, which I am super excited for. The newer phones do not have cannot connect with this straight away. Ooh, oh my gosh. So that is why I'll have to use the little headphone adapter that will go straight into my phone. But here we are. Oh my gosh, it comes with the windshield already on it. Oh my gosh. Okay, so in the box, we have usage, shows you how to connect the microphone to your phone, camera, or laptop, which is really cool. Also shows you all of the different parts. Oh, so they call this part the dead cat. That's kind of funny. Wow. This is so cool. Oh my gosh. And then here's the cord for it. Oh, it comes with 2 cords. Oh, that's so nice. The reason I got this microphone was because I wanted to up the quality of my YouTube videos. Also, I feel like it's just so much easier to hear things in a video. And I know if you're like outside or something, if there's wind, you know, it is a lot harder to hear things. So this windshield will be so nice. I want to see how to I want to safely take off the windshield to see what it looks like. There's the back of it. And I have actually a cold shoe on my tripod that this will slide right onto the top of it, and then I can connect from here to my phone. All right, now time to unbox the DJI stabilizer. Oh my gosh, having a little fangirl moment, flashback to when I got my laptop. I have actually looked at DJI gimbals for a very long time, and I finally figured, you know what? Let's just get it. Let's just get it. I've been saving up, so why not? So this is a smartphone stabilizer specifically for phones. There are gimbals by this company that are for, you know, actual cameras, but those obviously are more expensive. So I figured I would get the smartphone version since I use my phone to record. First I gotta figure it out. Okay, so there's a little green tab right here. Pull that back. And I think it'll just flip open then. Create magnetic moments. Oh my gosh. Ah! Let's see what is in here. Oh my gosh, I don't want to rip it. Okay. Ooh. Okay, so it looks like in here is the carrying case for it. Oh, that's soft. It says Osmo. I don't know if you can see that on the camera. Osmo DJI. And there's a little wrist strap that'll come in handy. Trust me. Oh, little instruction manuals. Okay, so in the box, we have the little tripod that actually screws on the bottom of the gimbal, which I think is really cool. And I think it's also like an extended grip. You can hold on it. Okay, here's the riser pad that goes onto this magnetic clamp. So I guess you would put this on if your phone is too big for it to make it fit. So, oh my gosh. I like the weight of this. This doesn't feel too light because I'd be afraid of like it feeling cheap, but no, it feels really nice. I think you just unfold it. Oh my gosh. Whoa! Okay. Oh wow. Okay, I should probably look up how to do some things before I get too crazy here. So I will be back with you guys in just a second. I'm a mess in my room right now, but it's calibrating. Oh, it was done. Oh my gosh. That was so cool to see it just like keep turning. So I was trying to come outside to see if you could hear a difference in with and without the mic. So here is without the microphone attached. So now I'm gonna go plug it in. And here is how it sounds with the mic in. So I don't know, I think it sounds better, but this is just me and the few practice runs that I've had. I also like how it has spatial audio. It's probably not as good facing the back of the microphone, but I can always just reposition it if I need to. So I was hoping it'd be a little windy out so you could kind of hear how it is and how the wind shield does, but we'll get that on another day. Okay guys, so I just wanted to take a second to give my thoughts and opinions so far on the gimbal. It does so much for, I think, what it's worth. There's so many different modes that I even haven't discovered yet, and just playing around with it, it's really cool. I think it's one of those things, you like it the more you get to play with it and find out what it has to do. But I mean, it has almost 360 degrees on all three of the axes. Folds up into this compact little bag that it comes with. Yeah, I don't really have a whole lot of words for it. The tracking feature I think is so cool, where you can select which object that you would like the gimbal to follow, and it will follow it until you hit the X to stop the feature. But I think that is so cool. I also like how on the side of the gimbal that there is a little button that you can slide forward to zoom in and pull down to zoom out. This little button right here, if it's in video mode, if you press that, it will start the video, as well as this little joystick. It will, it's off right now so it keeps moving, but this little joystick moves it, tilts it up and down, and then left and right to move it horizontally. As soon as you put your phone onto the gimbal, it orients it portrait mode, so your phone is up and down. So double tapping it automatically moves the phone to landscape, and it calibrates it and everything for you. A trick on how to use it is you press the button on the back 3 times and it'll switch the camera, you know, flip it from front to back or back to front. But if you're not on the DJI Mimo app, that feature does not work. So there is a little downside to that. I think, you know, it's one of those things you just learn to work with it because it's what you have. And I think in the long run, you'd be able to work around those little kinks. Though it is not a super big device, to be able to fold it up like this and put it in a bag, that is so good on the design part of it. I mean, you wouldn't think that is the device that I was just holding. I hope my unboxing, you enjoyed it, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video.